Shalom Yasharala. First and foremost, we want to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem,
Yahweh,
Yahweh
Ba'ashem,
Shai,
Yahweh
Bahashem,
Shai, Ba'ashem,
Rakadash.
Rakadash.
Double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone, New York, who rule well, and salutations to all the Akim pushing this word in truth and in sincerity with charity to the four corners of the earth. We just want to get into a quick lesson as the brothers from the Chicago branch of Great Millstone. All right. I'm the brother Rapayo with
Brother Shemaiah.
yeah, and we just want to get into a quick edifying lesson, Lord willing, about the world economy collapsing. Which is going to render and bring forth the RFID chip. This is Isaiah chapter 31, verse 1. Woe to them that go down to Egypt for help, and stay on horses, and trust in chariots, because they are many, and in horsemen, because they are very strong. But they look not unto the Holy One of Israel, neither seek the Lord. Right. You know what I'm saying? Because this is Esau Edom's kingdom, okay? The red Hebrew Edomite. And our people, you so called Negroes, Latinos, Native American Indians, okay? And those scattered to the four corners of the earth, you guys, 2/3 of you trust in your oppressor, man. All right? And when they do some kind of false flag or stage attack, you guys run to them first. You guys depend on FEMA and other agencies to help you in times of need instead of going to Yahweh Bashim Yahweh Shai. You know what I'm saying? You got a precept, Bach?
Now, Khan. This is
Oh,
Proverbs chapter 3 and verse 31. Envy thou not the oppressor, and choose none of his ways. All right? So, hey, man, hey, we are not to envy the oppressor, man. 2/3 of our people, they envy Esau Edom, man. All right? And they choose all of his ways, man. We are not to choose his ways, man. All right, hey, what is the ultimate choice that our people are going to choose, man? That RFID chip, man. All right, hey, that's going to be your demise, man. If you take that chip, man, there's no repentance there, man. No?
right. Yeah, this is Isaiah 36 and 6. Lo, thou trusteth in the staff of this broken reed on Egypt, the house of bondage, which America is today. It's modern day Egypt. You know, America meaning going back to bitter. All right, it's bitter for you so-called Negroes, Latinos, Native American Indians. All right, you guys make up the 12 tribes of Israel. All right, we're going through this because it was written, man. We broke the laws, and now, you know, we got to pay for what we did. And now we're gonna trust on Egypt. When everything goes south. What I'm saying? You guys, man, you guys are just dead asleep. Oh, you got something? You go ahead. I'm gonna grab another scripture.
Khan, I got this Revelation 13.
Oh, go
Let
ahead.
me bring
The
that out.
spirit. Yeah,
Khan.
no, that's what I was getting. Yeah.
This is Revelation chapter 13 and verse 16. And he caused all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in their right hand or in their forehead. Who is that he? All right, that he is Esau Edom, man. All right, hey, Esau Edom is going to force everybody to take that RFID chip, man, which is the mark of the beast, man. All right, hey, hey, no matter who you are, man, if you're a rich man, a poor man, if you're in prison, all right, hey, it doesn't matter, man. You're gonna be forced to take that mark, man. All right, but hey, we are not to take that mark, man. All right, but in verse 17 it says, and that no man might buy or sell save he that had the mark, or the name of the beast, or the number of his name. Here is wisdom. Let him that hath understanding count the number of the beast, for it is the number of a man, and his number is 603.6. All right, man. So, hey, you thought him, man. All right, he's gonna implement the RFID chip however way he's gonna do it, man. All right, but hey, you're not gonna be able to buy or sell with that, man. All right, hey, what are people doing? All right, they're taking the chip. All right, they're buying things, they're selling things with the chip, man. All right, which proves that is the market of beast. No.
Right. Yeah, they're pushing it in their movies and shows. About everyone being chipped up and having like 3D um, I don't know, electrical scans on their arms. It's hard to explain, but It's the RFID chip. You know what I'm saying? It's this mark here in verse 17. You know, Karagma. This is the year of Karagma. They're pushing it out very heavy, man. You know, Lord willing, it comes soon. You know, either this year or the year that to come, because we want to go home, man. This is Revelation chapter 14, verse. I'll start at 8. And there followed another angel saying, Babylon is fallen, that great city, because she made all nations drink of the wine of the wrath of her fornication. Right, all these philosophies, homosexuality, the woman over the man. All right, women ruling over us. I mean, like just all types of wickedness, man. And all these other countries, all these other nations, right? They went along with it, man. This is verse 9. And the third angel followed them, saying with a loud voice, if any man worship the beast and his image, and receive his mark in his forehead or in his hand, so either hand, left or right, anywhere in your body, all right, the same shall drink of the wine of the wrath of the Most High, which is poured out without mixture, into the cup of his indignation, righteous judgment, and he shall be tormented with fire and brimstone in the presence of the holy angels, the elect, and in the presence of the Lamb, Yahweh Shai. All right? So all you people that do, take the chip, you guys are going to live to the very end until this place is burnt up, man, by those ICBM nuclear missiles,
Ah. You have some help?
Yes.
Ah.
One second, let me just grab it. Salaki, 1 second. This is the book of Psalms, chapter 20, verse 7. Some trust in chariots and some in horses, but we will remember the name of the Lord our power, Yahweh, Bahashem Yahweh Shai. You know what I'm saying? Because that's who we're going to be calling on throughout this, And actually, Akim, we should be calling on the Lord every day, Pray without ceasing, okay? Because, whether you're going through the good times or the bad times right now, there's a balance to everything. Seek Him in both times. Seek Him all the time, no matter what you're going through. Think of Job. Think of like all our forefathers, man, who went through it. What do? They put their trust in Yahweh Bashem Yahweh Shai. You know what I'm saying? Full of hope. You know what I'm saying? For salvation, for the kingdom to come, man. I mean, this is Psalms chapter 33. 1 second. Verse 16. There is no king saved by the multitude of an host. A mighty man is not delivered by much strength. Right, you know what I'm saying? You guys trust in Egypt and in this American government, because they have this large military. But it's really weak as fuck, to be honest. You guys just don't see it. America's going to get destroyed because it's written. It was ordained from the Heavenly Father, man, Yahweh. This was going to be the judgment for them. Verse 17, and horse is a vain thing for safety, neither shall he deliver any by his great strength. Behold, the eye of the Lord is upon them that fear him, upon them that hope in his mercy. Behold, the eye of the Lord is upon them that fear him, upon them that hope in his mercy. Right. Verse 18, Because, fearing the Lord is the first step of getting wisdom, of being accepted by him, by receiving his love. You know what I mean? You got to have that fear of the Lord. All right? The root of that is immortality. Verse 19. To deliver their soul from death and to keep them alive in famine. You know what I'm saying? Because we're about to get a famine of the word and of actual food and water and beverages, People are going to be pining away out here, man. You know what I'm saying? If you got a precept out, you could bring it out too. I just got a couple more verses. Verse 20. Our soul waiteth for the Lord. He is our help and our shield. For our hearts shall rejoice in him, because we have trusted in his holy name. Let thy mercy, O Yahweh, be upon us, according as we hope in thee. You know what I'm saying? Yahweh Bashim Yahushai. You know what I'm saying? While two-thirds are running to the oppressor, we're gonna run and lean to the Lord, man, and be saved through all these troubles, man. This is the last captivity. A lot of miracles are gonna come forth from this. You know what I'm saying? It was written, man. This is a time like no other, man. And we got to be prepared spiritually, mentally, for what's to come. And know and understand that no matter what we go through, the Lord got us. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
I got a couple more scriptures. You got anything? I'm just going.
Nah.
Oh, go ahead.
This is Proverbs chapter 3 and verse 5. Trust in Yahweh Bashim Yahushai with all thine heart, and lean not unto thine own understanding. Okay. All right, man? So, hey, we have to trust in Yahweh Bashim Yahushai, man. All right? Hey, like the brother said, man, no matter what we're going through, man. All right? Hey, man, if it's looking serious, man. All right, if it's looking like we don't have something to eat, man. Hey, the scripture said that his servants is going to eat, man. All right? So, hey, you have to truly trust in the ways of Yahweh Bashim Yahushai. You have to trust in his words, man. All right? And it said, lean not unto thy own understanding. If you take that RFID chip, man, you lean into your own understanding, man. All right, cause you think that this is what I need to take in order to eat. This is what I need to take in order to survive, man. When the only thing you need to eat in order and what you need to survive is the words of Yahweh Bashim Yahushai, man. That's the only thing that's gonna keep you, man. Isaiah 33 verse 6 says, wisdom and knowledge shall be the stability of thy times, man. All right, so, hey, that's going to keep us stable, man. Whatever we're going through, wisdom and knowledge is going to keep us stable, man. In verse 6, it says, in all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy path. Be not wise in thine own eyes, fear Yahweh, and depart from evil. All right, man? So, hey, you have to acknowledge Yahweh Bashim Yahushai in all of your ways, man. All right? Hey, whatever path you're going, man, whatever you think, hey, man, it's not right, man. All right? You have to call on Yahweh Bashim Yahushai, man. All right, and still to that, you can't trust in your own eyes, man. Trusting in your own eyes is gonna get you put to death, man. No.
This is the book of Sirach, chapter 2, starting at 8. Ye that fear the Lord, believe him, and your reward shall not fail. Ye that fear the Lord, hope for good and for everlasting joy and mercy. Look at the generations of old and see. Did ever any trust in the Lord and was confounded? Or did any abide in his fear and was forsaken? Or whom did he ever despise that called upon him? Because the Lord's for us, and he was with our forefathers, the prophets, and he always has been. Everything written aforetime was written for our learning, man. All these stories here are real. It's life in them. It's the way to Yahweh Shai, who's going to bring us to the Father. You know what I'm saying? He's the mediator. All right? So when you read these scriptures, man, and you see, man, all these men, these forefathers of ours, they went through a lot of things, man. The Lord saved them, man. He always pulled them out of them jams. I got another one real quick. You got some? Salakia.
You can go on.
Okay, Wisdom of Solomon, chapter 3, verse, I'll start at 9. They that put their trust in him shall understand the truth, and such as be faithful in love shall abide with him. For grace and mercy is to his saints, and he hath care for his elect. But the ungodly shall be punished according to their own imaginations, which have neglected the righteous and forsaken the Lord. For whoso despiseth wisdom and nurture, he is miserable, and their hope is vain, their labors unfruitful, and their works unprofitable, man. You know what I'm saying? Because, our people, they live after this world, where prosperity is the way to go, is king, basically, that you're living and doing well. And they don't realize they're in captivity, man. All right? No matter what you can get here, it's nothing but crumbs, man. The kingdom, you can't compare any kingdom, today or the ones before it, as amazing as the kingdom that's coming, man. All right? It's like that scripture about King Solomon, you know, about the I think the lily or the flower, not toiling. I gotta find it.
Agro.
About you know that there was not enough, you know, that King Solomon was dressed up like very well, but um, there wasn't a flower. I forgot. I gotta look it up.
Uh,
Salakia.
let me. I got some right quick.
Yeah, go ahead.
This is Ecclesiastes chapter 7, verse 2. It is better to go to the house of mourning than to the house of peace, for that is the end of all men, and the living will lay it to his heart. All right, man. So hey, it's better to be it's better to do what we're doing right now, man. All right, mourning, man. All right, stand and crying for the abominations that's done inside this kingdom, man. All right, for people, for 2/3 of our people not wanting to hearken unto the ways of Yahweh Shemal Shai, man. All right, hey, it's better to be mourning than to be in the house of feasting, man. All right, just trying to thrive inside this kingdom, man. All right, and hey, the next step to thriving inside this kingdom is taking that RFID chip, man. All right, so hey, man, you don't want to be inside that house of feasting, man. Hey, cause hey, being inside that house of feasting, hey, that's the end of you, man. All right, that's what's gonna get you killed. And verse 3 says, sorrow is better than laughter, for by the steadiness of his countenance the heart is made better. The heart of the wise is in the house of mourning, but the heart of fools is in the house of mirth. All right, man. So hey, being inside that house of mirth, man. All right, hey, being inside the house of mirth is following the ways of the world, man. All right, and all of the world is gonna pass away, man. All right, but those that be of Yahweh Shai is gonna abide forever, man. All right. So hey, you would rather want to be inside that house of mourning, man, knowing these scriptures, knowing what's to come, man. All right, instead of being inside a la la land, man, and then end up getting destroyed because you took the RFID chip. No.
Yeah, no, it's definitely evident out there, you know, and the apostles have been pushing this out for a very long time, and you know, people will just have no excuse. You know, they're just gonna, they're just gotta fall in their lot as a 2/3. You know, Lord willing, we're part of that number. We endure to the end. You know, all the akim, you know, the to the elect and the 1/3. You know,
Uh,
you got anything else?
yeah, time. I got
Go.
something else. This Revelation chapter 19, verse 20. It says, "And the beast was taken, and with him false prophets that wrought miracles before him, which with which he deceived them that have received the mark of the beast, and that in them that worship his image, these both were cast alive into a lake of fire burning with brimstone." All right, man. So hey, there's a lot of false prophets out there, man. All right, that say that the mark of the beast is something else, man. All right, which is not, man. We know what the mark of the beast is, man. It's the RFID, man. All right, so hey, if you're being a false prophet telling our people that the RFID chip is philosophy or anything else, man, hey, that's a lie, man. Hey, you're gonna be thrown into a lake of fire, man. All right, and Esau even is gonna bring miracles with that RFID chip, man. All right, who knows? He's gonna cure blindness, man. All right, making where people can walk again, man. All right, he's gonna promote it to where people can say that hey, you can dribble like Steph Curry and all this other BS, man. All right, to deceive the people, man, to get them to take that mark, man. All right, but hey, all those that are gonna be deceived into taking that mark, man, hey, you're gonna be thrown into that lake of fire, man. All right.
Mm.
Uh,
Okay. And with that, we hope this lesson was edifying. Again, we want to give all praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem,
Yahweh,
Yahushai,
Yahweh,
Bahashem,
Yahweh,
Kakwadash.
Yahweh,
Double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone of New York who rule well, and salutations to all the Akim pushing this word in truth and sincerity with charity to the four corners of the earth. Shalom, wa abad babal.
Yahweh,